development that what we are getting to know ahead of the elections that would be taking place in the state of West Bengal. Now it is being said that the Congress party has also decided that it will contest the election solo. As far as the High Command nod has now come out for the solo fight, as the opposition unity talk seems to have now hit a roadblock, and Akla Chalo would be the Congress's move as far as West Bengal elections are concerned. This is something that the TMC has already decided as far as the solo contest is concerned, saying that they are ready to take on the BJP. But however, it seems that the Congress has also now left on its own as far as the Congress party will now be fighting the elections, the assembly elections by its own in West Bengal. Let's connect with Nyamika on this. Nyamika, this meeting was supposed to take place as far as this decision is concerned. Congress party doesn't seem to have much option, but rather to decide that they will contest the assembly elections solo.
Well, Amita, the Times Now's news break has got confirmed today as today the Congress High Command has taken this decision to go solo in the upcoming West Bengal Assembly elections. We have reported this earlier as well that the Congress party is considering to go solo as there would be a meeting of where the state leaders are going to express their opinion. And today this meeting has taken place at the Congress President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, where the state unit leaders had also given their own viewpoints regarding this entire matter. And finally, it has been decided for not having any kind of alliance for the upcoming assembly elections. However, how much it is going to impact their national alliance, that would be seen. We have also asked this question from the Congress party's leaders, and they have replied that it is because the BJP and the TMC are very communal parties, and the Congress party wants to give out message of a secular party before the people of West Bengal, and that is the only reason why it has been decided that it would be better for the Congress party to strengthen itself at the grassroots level by not having any kind of alliance, whether it is about TMC or even with the left party. So this time the Congress party is going to contest solo. However, who is going to be the face of the Congress party for the upcoming polls, that will be decided in the upcoming days.
All right. So this decision that seems to have been taken by the High Command of the Congress party, as Nyamika says, are